everybody, Pam Meyer with DesignWorks Limited, and today I'm going to tell you about all the fun things I saw in Las Vegas. That's one of the fun things about being a designer is I get to touch and feel and see all the different new things that come out on the market so that I can take those new ideas, those new trends, and show them to my clients so that we're always in the know about what's good and what's not. So one of the things that I found very interesting was the colors this year, especially in the accessories. Greenery is the color of the year. However, I saw hardly any greenery. What I did see was bright orange, lime green, cobalt blue, and the spa blue is still really good. And everything around, from the lighting to the accessories to the bedding to the upholstery. So those are the colors that are really current and available for 2017. One of the other new trends that I saw was in the furniture industry. I saw almost no traditional furniture. Everything was more contemporary or transitional or mid-century modern. That seems to be the trend. And saw no cherry, no oak, no mahogany, no maple. Everything was reclaimed, repurposed, but in a refined way. Previously, it was very, very rustic and raw. Now it's more refined, and I saw a lot of exotic woods, which are beautiful. And I saw uses of different things like shells and pebbles underneath glass on a wooden table, and really beautiful cuts of wood with a live edge on the edges of the table. So it made for very interesting furniture, and I think you could pair that with traditional chairs and it could be a really fun look. One of the categories that I was really impressed with this year was the lighting category. And as you'll see by the pictures that I'm going to show you, they were spectacular. Everybody was doing big and bold with lots of glass, lots of metal, and the actual metal of gold, it seemed to be having a comeback. For quite a few years, it seemed like gold wasn't seen, and now it's everywhere. So it was really fun to see all the new ways that lighting was being presented. And as you'll see in the pictures, a lot of them are huge, and maybe you couldn't use these giant pieces in your home, but they are very fun to look at. The last category that was really kind of exciting at the show this year was the wall art, and a lot of the vendors went beyond what they'd normally done with the framed art and the original art. They did all kinds of fabulous sculptures, and so you could see eggs or flying bugs or pigs or there were discs and ceramic things that looked like lily pads and giant pieces of coral, and then just metallic discs. And one of the showrooms had windows that you could do in bunches. So really it's up to the imagination as to what you could do. But I recently did a staircase where we had trouble with the curve of the staircase. It wouldn't accept regular art, so we did large starfish in 3 different sizes rambling up the side of the wall, and it just looks spectacular. So you can mix really interesting wall art with regular art and create a really unusual custom look for yourself. So I hope I've given you a little snapshot of what I saw in Las Vegas, what the new trends are, from furniture to wall art to lighting and the colors you can work with. So look at your own house, take a look around, see what might look a little tired, and then think of all the things that I talked about today, and maybe you can interject 1 or 2 of these things and have a fresh new look. And if you need any help with that, I'm always here to help. So remember me at DesignWorks Limited.